Today, we're diving into the world of house renovations, tailored specifically for beginners. Our goal with this video is to guide you through the basics of home renovation for your first project so you can get some ideas of what's involved and how much fun it can be. We'll help you understand how you can get started with your own project with confidence, easily, and successfully. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel. I'm Bobby Moore, and with over 30 years of experience in real estate, I focus on renovation, rehabbing, and new construction. I'm here to share my knowledge with you. At NetGain Real Estate, we specialize in helping newcomers like yourself navigate the complexities of renovation. We aim to equip you with the knowledge needed to avoid common pitfalls that can be costly and very time-consuming. So let's get started on this exciting journey together. Are you ready? Home renovation and rehabs involve making significant updates or changes to your home, whether it's enhancing the aesthetic appeal or improving the structural integrity. There are a variety of home renovations that you might consider, ranging from simple cosmetic ones like painting or redecorating to more extensive and structural repairs or even complete overhauls of existing spaces. It's crucial to start with a clear vision of what you're looking for. So, what are your goals for your renovation? Are you looking to increase the property's value, enhance the comfort, maybe restore an old house to its former glory? Having a well-defined purpose will guide your decisions throughout the project and help ensure that your efforts align with your end goals. Remember, every successful renovation starts with a solid plan. So, think about what you want to achieve and let that vision lead your renovation journey. Now we'll start with searching for a house to renovate. It's essential to choose wisely. Look for properties that offer potential for improvement, but require manageable renovations based on your skills and the team you have supporting you, like we help our clients. Key factors to consider include the structural integrity of the building. This is foundational, like how I use that, to your project success. Also, evaluate the location and the market value. These elements are crucial as they significantly impact the return on your investment. Before you finish finalizing any purchase, always invest in a professional inspection. So many things can be uncovered by doing one of those. You really don't want to miss out on that, especially if you do not have structural or engineering backgrounds and experience. It's really vital to uncover the hidden issues that could have a massive impact on your budget. Things such as outdated wiring, old plumbing systems, foundational problems, windows that just aren't holding up any longer and won't. Knowing these issues beforehand allow you to make the right decisions and financially prepare for any necessary fixes during the renovation process. So that brings us into budget now. And setting a realistic one is crucial in the renovation process. You start by estimating the cost for materials and labors, and don't forget to include a buffer for unexpected expenses and necessary permits. A comprehensive budgeting approach helps you prevent financial overruns and ensures that your project remains feasible from start to finish. And there are several ways to fund your renovation project that you may or may not have thought of. If you have savings set aside, that's a great start. Alternatively, home improvement loans can offer the necessary funds with repayment terms that fit your financial situation. Refinancing your primary mortgage for a loan that allows you to take out funds such as a 203K or a construction type loan can work as well. And there are also special government programs like the 203K that I just mentioned that can work for you as well. Now, the first step, as we've already mentioned before, is planning and design. Create detailed blueprints or layouts that reflect your vision for each space. This stage involves choosing the design aesthetics and sourcing materials that fit both your budget and style preferences. Consider consulting with architects or designers to ensure that your plans are both pleasing and meet your needs, not somebody else's, and structurally and foundationally sound. Once those plans are all done, the real work begins. The renovation process typically starts with demolition, then it's followed by the structural builds or steps, electrical, plumbing, HVAC if you're doing anything like that, and then moving towards finishing touches like painting and decorating, trim outs, setting the appliances, cabinets, and things. Each phase needs careful planning and management to ensure quality and adherence to the timelines that you set. Because remember, this is something we help clients with as well, is making sure the timelines work and that everybody sticks to them, because that can be a problem if you don't have some assistance along the way. Also, it's vital to comply with local building codes and regulations throughout your renovation. Always prioritize safety, ensuring that all the work, especially structural changes in electrical, plumbing, HVAC, meets safety standards to protect everyone. And do it, you know what, just do it if for no other reason than when you decide to sell, any smart buyer will be checking and verifying that you did do things to code and have this for the work as well. It can make for selling a house much more difficult if you don't. Now, your renovation is complete. You've got several options to consider. You might choose to sell the house for a profit, especially if market conditions are favorable. We've seen several clients choose this route. Some of them have made, $100,000, $150,000 after having done that. Alternatively, you might have done your renovation strictly for renting. That works well. You can have a great home and residual income coming in every month. For those who fall in love with their project, moving into the renovated home is another option. That's what a lot of our clients, or probably most of our clients, choose to do. They're renovating a home that is their primary residence that they want to stay in long term. Whatever you decide to do, just make sure you do a market analysis to determine what's best for you and for your property, and understand the real estate trends, see what's going on in your market, and how your property, after you've done this work, stands. We're pretty sure you're going to find that you've made a substantial improvement in the value of your property while saving a ton of money. Our team is here to guide you through from the initial planning stages and making sure that your project lines up with both your vision and regulatory requirements. If you're feeling inspired to start your renovation journey, consider reaching out to NetGain Real Estate for expert guidance and support. We have the experiences, resources to help you avoid common pitfalls and make the most of your investment. And don't forget to subscribe, like our channel for more insightful comment on real estate and renovations. Your dream home just might be one renovation away, and we're here to help you do that. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.